These will replace other options that used to be. There used to be a hole here and a hole here threaded into the door, but they don't do that anymore. So if you don't have anything back there, then you're left using stuff like this. And you have to drill a hole specifically, and I mean specifically, in the right place. And then the problem with this is the door, if this screw gets loose, and it will, the lock starts moving around again. So we'll throw those in the trash now. Now I'm going to put in a slam latch in here with the C-3 clip, because unlike the other clips that were out at one time similar to this, they wouldn't work on here because of this piece of metal. On the deadlock, there's nothing there. There's room for it to sit down inside. Well, this is a C-3 because this will work on the slam latch, the deadbolt, and a regular doorknob latch. I've already got one on the bottom here. Both of these parts are stainless steel, so once you put these on, you can forget about it until the lock dies altogether. This is ready to install. This thing here, unbelievable labor involved. Here's how much labor is involved in this. Drop it in, drop it low, pull it up where you want it. Tighten the bottom, tighten the top, and if I had the right plate out here, I could put this on, it'd be exactly right. See, it fits flush. And you can see this is not going anywhere, and it won't go anywhere, and it won't rust because it's stainless steel. Best of all, no labor, but you can still go out and make a bundle of money with these if you got them on your truck.